Alright, so day 3, Snowmageddon. Luckily my snowblower was able to do some work. We're wide enough for a car, but look at our main road up here. We're snowed in. Everybody's out working hard, trying to. Our neighbors using a snowblower for the sidewalk. But look at the street. The street has almost 3 feet of snow on it. Vinny can't even walk.
No, he wants to.
He can't even walk on the street because it's like 3 feet, 30 inches. Everybody's working in the neighborhood trying to shovel out.
Looks like they maybe got, looks like they have they actually have a little path, I think.
Yeah, have Vinny jump over. Just walk out there.
I see that. Yeah. I see it.
You just make it from here to there.
Then you could get, yeah.
I can pick up the snowplow.
Crazy, man. Snowmageddon 2016. Go, Vinny, go. Not going? So, where is it not snowing?
Florida. No snow in Florida.
Oh, I didn't know.
You know, just in case. I might have told you that on occasion. It's not snowing in Florida. They're not shoveling in Florida.
You want to say hi to anybody?
My family in Florida?
Oh. They're freezing there. It's like 55
It's like,
degrees.
yeah, we saw it was 54.
It's
Right?
29 here, and
But we're sweating as we're shoveling.
Yeah, that's true. Look, Vinny's stepping on top of the snow, but he won't go in it. He's got to go to the bathroom, but he doesn't know where to go. He licks the snow, though. He eats the snow.
Not the yellow snow.
Don't eat the yellow snow. Alright, everybody, Mom, Dad, Joel, Gina, Brittany, Josh, Anne Marie,
Love you guys.
Aiden, and Aria, Giselle, everybody. Peace out, man. Snowmageddon 2016. See ya!